everyone. So today in this video, we're going to be reviewing string concatenation, which is putting things together in Python. Our first step is to just look at what we want our program to do. We just want to do a simple little program that asks the user for two favorite apps, stores it as two separate variables, and prints out a sentence. So our first part is making a variable called app1 and storing it as the answer to what is your favorite app. Then we're going to make a variable called app2 and ask the user what's their second favorite app and store that into app2. We want to print out a sentence that says you like app1 and app2 using the plus sign to concatenate the strings and the variables. So I'm going to print in quotations you like, I need a space, and then plus app1, and then a plus, and then the word and then plus app2. The other thing you could do, if you're a little bit uncomfortable with this putting the spaces in manually, you can use a comma. Commas are nice because they're built in with spaces after. So you'll see what I mean in a second when I run this. So when I run it, it says, what's my favorite app? I'll say TikTok. What's my second favorite app? Instagram. And this printed statement is from line 14 where we did the plus signs. This one is from line 17 where we did the commas, and they both work perfectly fine. You can also do spaces before and in front of the commas, and those won't make any sort of difference. So just as an example, I'll put A and B. You'll see that we get the same three sentences. Hope this helped, and good luck on whatever project you're working on.